Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The highly anticipated Caribbean Airlines Reggae Sumfest kicked off on Sunday with their pre-event dubbed Morning Meds. Patrons were treated to taste the Jamaican dishes paired with some good beverage and wholesome fun. Held at the Tropical Bliss Beach in Montego Bay, Morning Meds featured performances from Skinny Fabulous and Styler G. The festivities will continue throughout the week with the Reggae Sumfest street dance and tomorrow Reggae Sumfest all white. The events will climax with the festival Night 1 on July 19 and Night 2 on July 20. Reggae artist Taurus Riley recently released his first EP dubbed Blem. The EP features 6 tracks and is produced by Izzy Beats, co-producer of Toast, the massive hit by Coffee. On Blem, which stands for Blending Life's Experiences Musically, the My Day singer works with Ghanaian Afrobeat star Stoneboy on the track dubbed Gal, which means Girl You're Loved, Dangerous Waters with Lila Ike, and Just Love alongside Naya V. This marks the follow-up to Taurus Riley's 6th studio album Love Situation, which was released in 2014. Since then, he has had successful collaborations, including Powerful with Ellie Goulding, Simple Blessings with Conscience, and Guess Who, which features Michael Rose. Taurus Riley's biggest hit in the last 5 years was, of course, the guest appearance on Powerful, produced by Major Lazer, which was the best seller throughout Europe and Australia. Powerful also made the Billboard Hot 100 chart, peaking at number 83. Upcoming reggae artist Black Hero has released a reggae cover of Stevie Wonder's classic track, Superstition. The video for the track was shot on location in Irish town St. Andrew and captures the fun-loving spirit of the Jamaican people, showing scenes of nostalgia and contrast with modern life in the hilly interior. The premiere of the official music video for Superstition marks the release of the second single from the eclectic album The Immortal Stepper, which is already being widely hailed as a solid representation of contemporary Jamaican music. The 14-track collection was released in collaboration with Dub Shot Records. Now, on the international scene, Toronto rapper Drake announced that he will be bringing the Millennium Tour to OVO Fest. Drake made the announcement about his 9th annual Toronto Music Festival on his Instagram account. The lineup includes the acts from the Millennium Tour, including B2K, Mario, Pretty Ricky, Lloyd, Yin Yang Twins, Chingy, and Bobby V. The OVO weekend is scheduled to kick off on July 29 with the OVO Bounce, which will be held until August 2. Additionally, the OVO Summit will take place on August 1 and 2. The OVO concert is reminiscent of the Millennium Tour that grossed a total of $5 million for headliners B2K after hitting the road for a little over 2 months. Drake also hinted on Instagram that he is in the studio working on a new album. He released 2 songs last month after the Toronto Raptors won the NBA championship, Omerta and Money in the Grave, featuring Rick Ross. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.